Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Learn Hindi fast. Basic conversations for daily life. Beginner friendly. Before we begin, listen carefully, because this is not how you were taught languages before. You are not going to memorize. You are not going to struggle. You are simply going to listen, and your mind will begin to understand, naturally, effortlessly. And by the end of this, Hindi will already feel familiar. So relax. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. Let your mind open and just follow along. We begin with the most important word, hello. In Hindi, you say namaste. Repeat softly. Na-mas-te. Again. Namaste. Good. Now let's continue. If you want to ask, how are you? You say, Aap kaise hain? Repeat slowly. Aap kaise hain? Again. Aap kaise hain? Now listen to the answer. Main theek hoon. It means, I am fine. Repeat. मैं ठीक हूँ. Again. मैं ठीक हूँ. Now let's build a simple conversation. Namaste. आप कैसे हैं? मैं ठीक हूँ. धन्यवाद. Dhanyavad means thank you. Repeat. Dhanyavad. Again. Dhanyavad. Very good. Now let's continue. If you want to say, nice to meet you, you say, आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Repeat slowly. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Again. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Now imagine meeting someone. Namaste. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Feel how natural that becomes. Now, let's ask someone's name. आपका नाम क्या है? It means, what is your name? Repeat slowly. आपका नाम क्या है? Again. आपका नाम क्या है? Now answer. मेरा नाम means, my name is. Add your name. Repeat. मेरा नाम. Good. Now let's continue with polite words. Please. Kripya. Repeat. Kripya. Again. Kripya. And thank you again. Dhanyavad. Very good. Now, let's use this in real life. If you want help, you can say, Kripya meri madad kijiye. It means, please help me. Repeat slowly. Meri madad kijiye. Again. Kripya meri madad kijiye. Excellent. Now let's learn something very useful. If you don't understand, you say, मुझे समझ नहीं आया. Repeat slowly. मुझे समझ नहीं आया. Again. मुझे समझ नहीं आया. And if you understand, मुझे समझ आया. Repeat. मुझे समझ आया. Again. मुझे समझ आया. Now, let's bring everything together. Imagine a simple conversation. Namaste. आप कैसे हैं? मैं ठीक हूँ. धन्यवाद. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. आपका नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम. कृपया. मुझे समझ नहीं आया. मुझे समझ आया. Feel the flow. This is real communication. Simple. Natural. And now it is becoming part of you. Without effort. Without stress. Just repetition. Just listening. Just absorbing. Now, let's slow everything down. Let the words settle. Namaste. आप कैसे हैं? मैं ठीक हूँ. धन्यवाद. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. आपका नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम. कृपया. मुझे समझ नहीं आया. मुझे समझ आया. Each word becoming more familiar, more natural, more yours. You are learning even now. Your brain is building connections, recognizing sounds, understanding patterns, and with every repetition, you improve, effortlessly, naturally. Now, take a slow breath and relax deeper. Let these words settle into your mind. There is no rush, no pressure, just calm learning and quiet progress. You are becoming more confident, more comfortable, more fluent. One word at a time, one phrase at a time. And this is only the beginning.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.